Hello and welcome to the How to Grow a Thick Dense Beard series. In today's video we're going to do some back-to-back updates. Today is week 3, we're probably going to do up to week 6 in this same video, just in terms of my beard growth and perhaps what you can expect if you have a similar beard to me. So I'm just going to come a little close here and show you what my beard growth is now at week 3. So this is of course front on, this is the neck area, this is the left side, this is the right side. There's really not much that has changed in terms of maintenance. I'm still aligning up the cheek lines. I'm still just keeping the neckline straight without really going up too high. And I'm still using beard products. That's really all that needs to be done right now in terms of maintenance until I do my first trim. Now this is week 4. Here's the front, neck, left side, right side. One thing that's starting to happen right now is I'm getting these like annoying hairs right at the top of my mustache. They seem to take a while to grow in, and what happens is they tend to grow up and into my nostrils, which gets really annoying. So what we're actually going to do now is actually don't touch it. We're not going to do that. This is all part of growing out a bigger mustache. Sometimes these annoying things are going to happen. I have these random hairs over here that are seemingly out of place. These top annoying hairs, this hair that's sticking out. Don't touch that stuff. If it really bothers you, put some heavy hold wax in there to get it to fall into place. Do not trim it. Stay tuned for week 5. Here's the front, here's the left, here's the right, and here's the neck area. And you'll notice I've stopped doing any kind of neck maintenance. The beard is kind of long enough now to really hide any of kind of like a disheveled neckline look. So from this point on, we're just going to kind of continue to grow. Now here's the front and into the neck. You'll notice that I haven't done any trimming for the neckline at all. And here is the left side. And here is the right side. Now either I'm a really good ventriloquist or I'm actually doing a voiceover. I'll let you decide. But yeah, guys, that's your 3 to 6 week update on how to grow a thick, dense beard. Let me know what you guys think about putting several weeks in a video like this so you can kind of clearly see the amount of growth that's happening from week to week. I just figure a video a week might be a little bit too much for not a lot of growth or not a lot of stuff changing. But anyways, let me know your thoughts. Go ahead and make a friend in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Now stay tuned for the bloopers. In today's video, I'm going to do a few... We're just going to come in a little bit closely here, and so we're just going to come in a little bit close here, and so I'm just going to come in a little close here and show you what my beard growth is now at week 3. And now I'm going to show you guys what my beard looks like in week 3. Here's the left. Here's the left.